We begin tonight with that restaurant owner in Lackawanna County detained by ICE outside his business a week ago. Nasario Damian Contreras was taken into custody after a lawyer working with his family says a lapse in paperwork altered his immigration status. It's caused shockwaves across the Moscow community. Newswatch 16's Melissa Steininger spoke with immigration law experts about what his future could hold. Melissa.
Yeah, Scott, immigration law experts not connected to the Damian Contreras case say he could be facing deportation despite being in the country legally for more than 20 years. And as he's currently behind bars in Pike County, the legal road ahead will be a long and difficult one.
First of all, 23 years is like an exceptionally long time to be here, presumably outside of detention, and then to get detained.
It's a fight for freedom as a Lackawanna County restaurant owner, Nasario Damian Contreras, was taken into federal custody. Immigration lawyers not affiliated with Damian's case say he is likely facing deportation, known as a removal proceeding. Mirabelle Allen has clients here in Pennsylvania.
If I set somebody in custody, it's because that person is in removal proceedings.
Damian may be able to apply for release on bond, but that depends on his criminal history. And removal relief, which would allow him to avoid deportation, is even more difficult.
So the standard is high, and somebody like that would come to see me. The first question that I would ask is about his criminal record. And number two, his immediate relatives and the status of his immediate relatives, and then we can work with that.
What could help is the community that Damian has built here over the past 23 years, now showing up in full force.
They're pulling people away that epitomize the American dream. You come here, you work hard, you improve yourself, you make jobs for your family, you make jobs for others as well. And then that's not good enough for somebody.
But Allen says the laws themselves haven't changed, just the level of enforcement.
People think that with the new administration, the laws are more strict. The immigration laws have always been strict. The difference is that now they are enforcing the laws.
One thing that has changed, the cost of navigating the system. U.S. Citizenship and Immigration Services increased fees for a number of immigration applications, including those for green cards more than a year ago. And an asylum fee went into effect just this week.
Financial barriers have significantly increased, and that's not even to mention asylum fees that have been or are being implemented.
Alex Short is an attorney from the Lehigh Valley. He says Damian has a long road ahead in his fight for freedom.
The options and solutions are there, but there's a financial cost, both for lawyers, for government, and for those detained, a psychological cost.
Now, we have not been able to reach the lawyer currently representing Damian. We do, however, have a number of questions out to the Department of Homeland Security, but they have not yet given us a response. Scott?
Melissa, thanks very much.